Greetings students and welcome to class. Today we are going to be teaching you how to solve simultaneous equations in two variables. Now, once we say simultaneous, we mean at the same time. So that's the definition of simultaneous. So we have two equations in two variables, and then we want to solve those two equations at the same time to get the values of the two unknowns. In this case, we have x and y. So we are going to do this example, and then you are going to do this one. So let's begin. We are told to find the value of x and y in the equation x plus 2y equal 1 and 2x plus y equal 5. So what we're going to do is to use the method of substitution. There are other methods that you could use, but we will teach that in another edition of this topic. So we are going to use substitution. To do this, you take one of the equation and make one variable the subject. So choose any one of the two equations. In this case, I'm going to choose equation number 1. So I'll call this equation 1 and I'll call this equation 2. So from equation 1, I have x plus 2y equal to 1. Now, I'm going to make one of the variables that is subject. I can choose x and I can choose y, and I'm still going to get the same result. So in this case, I will make x a subject. So once I make x a subject, I will have x is equals to 1 minus 2y. I send this across. It becomes a minus. Now, x is equal to 1 minus 2y is also an equation, and we're going to substitute that value into the second equation, which is equation 2. That's the method. So equation 2, but from equation 2, so equation 2 says we have 2x plus y equal to 5. This is equation 2. But I know that x is 1 minus 2y, so I'll substitute this value for x in equation 2. So I have 2 times 1 minus 2y plus y equal to 5. Great. And once I do that, I'm going to simplify the result. So I can do the multiplication right here. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y. And I have a plus y equal to 5. Now this equation now is in terms of a single variable y, which I can solve for this value of y. So I'll have 2 minus 4y plus y. According to the sign rule here, you have negative and positive, so you subtract, and the highest number carry the sign. So this will be negative 3y equal to 5. And I send this 2 across, so I have minus 3y is equals to 5 minus 2. And to solve for y, I have to simplify this side. So negative 3y equal to 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3, negative 3. And then I will have y is equals to negative 1. 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. Great. And once I get the value of y, I can substitute that value into this equation now to solve for the value of x. So I'll have x is equals to 1 minus 2y. Substitute this value, I'll have x is equals to 1 minus 2 times the value of y is negative 1. So x is equals to 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. 1 plus 2, and x is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 1. And the solution to this question now will be x comma y is equals to 3 comma minus 1. So we are going to prove this result. We are going to prove that this solution holds for these two equations. So substitute x equal 1, or x equal 3 and y equal negative 1 in the first equation. So if x is 3, you have, so it's a proof. If x is 3, then you have 3 plus 2 multiplied by y is negative 1. If I simplify this, I should get 1. And if I have 1 after simplifying, that means that this is the solution to this first equation. So I'll have 3. And then if I find 2 times negative 1, that is going to give me negative 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Great. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take the second equation, 2x plus y equal to 5, and substitute these two values to see if I'm going to have an equivalent expression. So I'll have 2 times y is x is 3, that's plus y, but y is negative 1, should be equal to 5. 2 times 3 is 6, so I'll have 6 minus 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 equals 5 is a true equation or a true statement. So this is how we can solve a linear equation in two variables using the method of substitution. So we're going to leave this as an example for you to do, and once you do it, post your answer in the comment section for further comment or critique. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you in future installment. Please subscribe to our channel, and God bless you.